Welcome on board this Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh.
Edinburgh. Edinburgh.
Edinburgh.
Edinburgh. Edinburgh. Morning guys. So it's 5 a.m. It's almost 5 a.m. in the morning. So magpe-prepare na tayo pa ng breakfast kasi alas 7 babiyahin na kami na papuntang Scotland. Magano lang ako, luto lang ako nitong bacon grill tsaka itlog for breakfast. Tapos since 2 to 3 days kami dun, so yung mga tirang pagkain, so kailangan ko nang kainin. Baka masira din or hindi ko sure kung lagay ko ba sa ref. Pero magluto muna ako kasi yung magin ako tulog pa. Good morning! Gising na sila guys. So gising na yung mag-ina ako guys. Bali maliligo na kami. So mamaya na lang ako. Continue na lang natin tong vlog mamaya. Pag nakaayos na kami. Para mabilis lang kasi 2 hours lang yung prep namin. So kain, ligo. Tapos alis na kasi magte-tren lang tayo. So see you guys.
A few minutes later.
The mic. See? The mic is working.
Hello. Oh, hi. Hi guys. No. 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 Ha? Oh, camera saan? Oh, yes. No. No, no.
Di ka nagsuklay.
Puta na iwan ko sombrero. Magulo ba?
Hindi naman.
Ganyan talaga ayos yun.
Blurring the city lights, we hit the road. So many fears inside.
Dito tayo sa city guys. Pasakay na tayo ng tren.
Couldn't wait to break the wall. Out in electric skies, we wait the call.
So, we gotta wait how many more minutes?
An hour.
You're kidding? What do you mean an hour? 8:30. It's 7. Got it.
See? Ba, magaling na magsentro. Tingnan pa. Magaling na magsentro. Ikaw pala maraming mag-picture sa amin ni tatay.
Punta namin ng guys, ng platform. Pasakay na kami ng tren.
Those days are over now. It's time to realize everything that matters is we trust. So if we can't believe the world is you and me, yeah, we'll find a way to paradise.
Ito tayo sa first train. Ano to? 1 hour. 1 hour train. Oh, di ba meron tayo dito kasama.
Time look.
Oh, what?
Look.
Sinama po si ate mo.
I use this for shy.
Platform 6 tayo bababa.
Just walk across and that will be your platform.
Right side
That's the
ba?
final stop. Wigan North Western. Thank you.
Look. I look.
Tingnan mo, palis.
Sabi mo na, Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Pababa na tayo ng
Tatay, tumabi ka na kagad dyan. Umusok ka na kagad.
Kenzo.
Salamat eh.
Sakay na tayo ng second bus, guys. Ay, second bus tuloy.
This one.
Second train. Second train. So guys, waiting tayo ng second train. So itong second train na to, ito na yung diretso na papuntang Scotland sa Edinburgh. So, say hi. Say hi guys. Tada. Yeah. So yan. So dito kami galing. Dito kami bumaba sa train na to. Tapos dito kami sasakay sa kabila lang. So mabilis lang yung transition. So see you guys.
A few moments later.
Finally.
Tatay, 61 ka ha?
It's tight.
Diyan ka,
61. Here. Pati dito na tayo guys sa second train. So ano pala yung mga upuan dito. Kahit naka-reserve sa yung iba, inuupuan talaga nila. Inuupuan ng iba. So nasa ibang upuan kami ngayon.
Sometimes an ocean lies between ourselves and where we
Say hi.
Almost there to Scotland. Oh, there.
4 minutes.
Then
5 minutes.
4, then 3, and 2.
Is it connected?
and
Yeah,
one,
it's connected.
And dun, 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 dun.
So we are here na guys. It's Edinburgh. Edinburgh. Edinburgh.
Edinburgh.
Edinburgh. Edinburgh. Edinburgh. What's the right pronunciation?
Edinburgh.
Say Scotland.
Scotland.
Edinburgh.
Edinburgh.
Parang malamig. Nag-scarf siya kanina. Tignan mo sila. Nakagloves.
This is Haymarket Station. Welcome aboard this.
Welcome on board this Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh.
So watch out.
Oh, finally! Yeah, it's cold. It's a little cold in Scotland. It's our first day in Scotland. First day, right?
Naka-hospital na tayo.
Okay. I'll go first.
Dito tayo sa market ang labas. Market Street, di ba? Market Street tayo.
Po. Okay na po. Bakasyon muna.
Emergency exit up. Oh.
Opo. Hello po.
First time kita sama? Hindi?
Opo.
Enjoy!
Hello po.
Doon tayo sa mataas namang hagdan nito. Kaya mo pang bati niyan.
Ito naman.
Ikaw okay ka lang? O, tara.
You sure about that? I'll lead the way.
Magpapalaban tayo ng ano.
I'll go in
akyatan.
front. I did the pictures.
Okay ka lang dyan, Erika? Akin na yan, ay.
Hiya, 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 hiya. Tata is strong.
Ayan o, treadmill o.
Good job. It's like I'm gonna slip. You know that? I wish they had an
Pasabak ng
elevator.
akyatan o.
I wish they had it like an elevator because it's our time. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Me too.
Akin na. Akin na. Ito. Go, Kenzo.
Hot dogs and
Try ko.
pizza.
Kaya ano mo? Ano ginawa mo? Ano ginawa mo?
Press the
Ay,
X.
sorry.
Then it has to press the X.
Kala ko na-scam na tayo eh.
Wow! I see the bedroom already. I wanna explore. It looks kind of empty, but I like it. Look, they have 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms.
So, this is our...
TV. Nay.
What? Ito tayo sa ano? Sa sila tita mo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, ayun po ano. So, nandito na tayo guys. Ayan.
Woo!
Guys, namin yung gamit.
Wait, let me explore some more. I haven't explored I only explored here, the bedrooms. Tatay, no fridge. Look, come. There's no fridge.
Ano?
No fridge.
Okay, may plancha din.
You kidding me? Look,
Electric fan.
look, look. Here. Look.
Ano na yun?
What is it?
Where is it? Where's
I'll
the
show
fridge?
you. Look. Look, open this.
What's that?
The fridge.
Oh, the fridge. So, there's some air.
Oh, you can also lower it.
Yeah.
This is the bathhouse.
This one.
It's like this is a JVC. They have a JVC. Jeez Louise, this house is legit. These look like emergency exits. Look, these.
Try to open nga. What's that? Close mo.
That is disgusting.
Dito na kami guys, kaso mamaya ko na kayo itutur doon sa room kasi nagugutom na kami. So maghahanap kami ng kung ano pwedeng kainan dito. Yan.
Sometimes I want to try, don't get too sure. Some people you
can see before you break it. Actually, you can see before you break it. Which side is bigger? She's trying her look.
That's good. It's yours? Oh, that's a big serving. Oh,
So Oti is saying right here, eh?
sulit yung serving sila dito,
Everybody has
guys.
to wear their ring.
So,
So she was like, Christine always has her ring
pati
on.
ano eh, yung ano namin, yung narentahan namin na kwarto, doon lang siya. Doon sa may, doon. So, naghanap lang kami ng makakainan, so malapit dito. So, itong ano, Thai noodles. So, malaki yung ano nila. Serving. Serving is big. Can I taste one? Yummy.
Do you like spicy?
Mine? Yeah. Oh, looks nice. Nice. Pesto. Good. Thank you. Wow, serving is big. Nice.
Never prayed.
Kain muna kami, guys.
We'll find a way to paradise.
So, full tank na tayo, guys. So, pupunta daw kami ng museum. Check tayo kung ano meron sa museum dito sa Scotland. Buti na lang maganda araw ngayon. Kasi kung hindi maganda, kung umuulan ngayon, so sayang naman yung punta namin dito. Yan. Tapos bukas kami magtutour naman, mag-tour bus. Not yet. So, ito kami pupunta, guys. National Museum of Scotland. Say it, Scotland. Scotland. Lagay mo nga yung isang mic sa kanya, oh. Nay.
Everything that matters is we trust. So if we can't believe the world is you and me,
Kenzo.
That's a class. I actually don't know Scotland made that. It's like someone's playing a piano, like, and they're moving.
Kenzo, sabi mo? Ano yan?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
What's that?
Ano yan? Antler. Antlers. Yung
Wow.
sa elephant.
It is hard. Kind of spiky. What's this one? It is so long. So long. So it goes all the way here. This is where its nose is. Whoa, spiky.
Ganito pala ito nagkakakinis.
Hindi, inano yan.
That's an elephant. It's just a pretend one. Let me guess.
Ay.
It's just an ice age meteorite. This actually looks like one, an ice age meteorite. Right? 18,000 years ago, June lost many parts of meteors. What's this? Switzerland? That's Switzerland. Oh my god, these are sweet. I want to take all pictures. I'm going to take pictures of these. Because look, I like. Nana, which one do you like?
That one.
That one?
What's
Number?
57?
57.
Calcite.
Where? Where's the? What is that? Is that gold? Can light us actually the gold. That is literal gold. I like this one so much. So much. It's like I'm just taking pictures of crystals. What is that? What is that? It's like I'm taking all the pictures. Look. Oh, that one. That green one. I know. Oh, a rock turned into that. Pretty slow. Picture. Oh. Nanay. Nanay.
Bunga nga ng whale yan, no?
That's the mouth?
Yeah. How big it is.
I can't imagine its body's gonna be. What is that? What is that?
Hot air balloon.
Huh?
Oh, ito ano?
Oh. Hello.
Go.
Hello. Nay. Nanay. Nay. Nanay.
Kenzo, come on.
Nanay. Did you hear me?
Don't forget to scan or tap your club card. Tap or insert your payment card. Club card accepted.
Dalawang plastic tayo.
Payments accepted. Thanks for shopping at Tesco.
This is the Scotland day 1. Sa stairs pa lang, pagod na. So mag-ayos lang sila ng mga pinamili namin. So, pero ako, gugutom na ako. Kain mo na ako.